Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new, you are most welcome, and if you've been here from the beginning, you're welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be doing an all back cornrows with our natural hair. So if you want to learn how to cornrow your own hair or someone else's hair, you are at the right place. Make sure you stay tuned, you watch till the end, because I'm going to be showing you a whole lot. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and let me know what you think about this video. If you have any video suggestions too, please leave it in the comment section, and like the video. Really helps YouTube to suggest my videos to other potential subscribers. Okay. Okay, so we'll start by sectioning the hair. My hair was not stretched, so I had to use water to be able to part it. So then you start to braid. So I cannot really explain how the movement of the fingers go, but I would like you to pay close attention to them and then practice. That's the only way you could get a hang of it. Okay. Most of the time, people are able to do the cornrows, but the arrangement becomes a problem. You will see that all the braids, the cornrows, are not able to fit behind the head, like getting to the nape area. I don't know if I'm right, if I'm pronouncing it right, but the trick is simple. Okay, you just have to get to your normal pattern, like how you want it to look. If you are going for a medium, a small, or a large, you just have to know the sizes. So that is what you part in front. By getting to the back of your hair, you make the hair smaller. Okay, you don't take that same amount of hair to the back. I don't know if you get it. I'll show you, so please do not skip. Please watch till the end. Okay, so this is the area I was referring to. Okay, when you are getting close to this part, you do not like part the hair as you did in front. You reduce the size and bring it a bit closer to the first braid. This is done because the hair at the back is kind of small. I don't know if it's smaller or how the head is shaped. The hair
at the top or at the crown of your head, like in the middle, is a lot, and your head shape is also wider over there. But getting to your next side, that's the nip of your hair, it becomes smaller, like it narrows. So if you do not arrange the cornrows well, you would see that you braid, and now some have to lie on others, if you get me right. So that's a trick here, and this is what I wanted to show you guys. So coming down, you just part it a little, like with a little hair, okay, so that everything is able to fit the back. But if you part it just like you part the front, see how big the front is and see how small the back is. Literally, like there's no hair. That's a trick, because if you part it as you parted the front, all the cornrows wouldn't fit the back, and some will have to overlap. Yeah, if I'm making sense. So yeah, that's the trick. Please continue watching.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Fueled by thunder, see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by thunder, see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So as you can see, it is better for you to have more space than letting your braids overlap, right? So as you can see again, all the braids have been able to fit. I think you see pretty soon. This is the last but one braid.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me,
So when I'm done braiding the cornrow, then I just twist the ends so that it's a bit easier, it goes faster, and when it's time to unbraid, it's also easier to unbraid.
Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.
So we are on our last braid. So to begin with, you just section a smaller piece in front and you do a 3-strand braid. So you do about 2 to 3 times, then you begin to cornrow. You begin to pick hair and add to your 3-strand braids as you go. So it's basically a 3-strand braid which is lying down. If you get this concept, you just braid it back. It's simple, honestly, but if you don't practice, it's going to be difficult. So that is it. Explaining it is a bit challenging for me. That is why I would like you to watch this video as many times as you can. You can pause, you can watch it at your own pace, right? You can download it and then watch at your own time, just to be able to do it. So it's simple, and I'm about to show you how I do the back. This is just water I'm using, by the way. It's just water.
Dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders.
So you can see that we have enough hair to go all the way to the back, and none of them is overlapping. Okay, and it makes your hair beautiful. It makes your hair look really nice and neat. So yeah, this is how I do my cornrows. I hope you learned a thing or two, and if you have any other way or even a better way of doing your cornrows, please let us know in the comment section, and let me know what you like to see next on my channel. Okay, please subscribe if you haven't. Turn on your post notification if you haven't. It's just to alert you whenever I make a post, and like this video, comment, and yeah, you can share as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you would come back to watch my previous videos, and yeah, I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again.